morning. It's about 6:30 on our third day. Just want to show you how calm. Calm and quiet. Good morning. It is Sunday, and we are on our way to Castaway Key. And the water is extremely calm, and we're enjoying the sunrise. How beautiful is that? You can't even really truly capture it. Beautiful it is. Yeah. There's over there is Serenity Bay. Here's the the family kids area. You got the water slide area over here. That's where we're gonna dock at Castaway Key. We'll be there before we know it. I think dock time is 8:30 for us to be able to get off the ship once we get cleared. A little bit better shot of the island as we get closer. There's the dock. We'll be turning around and backing her in. Why does it look like we're leaving? Oh yeah, we're slowly turning. We're gonna back in right there. Right there to the dock. Slowly and safely. We're turning to head on in. It's pretty glistening in the sunshine, isn't it? You see the guys down there turning? Yeah. Helpers on the island are ready to secure the ship, waiting for us to launch the lines so they can secure them for us. Here is our welcome committee. We're slowly getting it backed in. Slow, quiet process. Backing it up and getting closer. Shot that bad boy across. They got the line. Getting closer and closer. Alright, here comes the rope. Girl power down there. So apparently that rope has got to go get secured over here where these guys are. Wake up, everybody! We made it! Look at the water, man.
man, it's just so beautiful. Can't wait. We never usually catch it in the morning. Excited. Get my suit on. The idea of what the ship's like. It's a noon at Castaway Key day. Not too many people around. Not too bad. Not busy at all. Just spied a duck. Oh, let's see what it says. Oh, what luck! You found a duck. Keep on hiding. You decide. Doesn't say who it's from.
Yes, okay, it's so tiny.
I'll leave it there.
Absolutely amazing day here in Castaway Key. And it's still beautiful with 82 degrees Fahrenheit or 28 degrees Celsius.
All right. Last anchor or hook or rope is going in. We're heading out in just a moment. So hard to say goodbye. I hate it. I hate leaving, but it's fun.
Yeah.
Thank you!
They all got their Mickey bows on.
Great day. We moving yet? Yep, we're moving. I don't know why it makes me cry.
Oh, that's so cute. Aww.
Goodbye! Goodbye. Here we go. And we're off. On to our next adventure. It's been awesome. Awesome day. We've had an awesome cruise. Can't wait for it to happen again. I know I'm getting sad. I hate it. But we'll be back. Peace. We're going in now for our last show, which is Aladdin. We're ready this time. Deck 2, yep. We have our popcorn, which is complimentary. And then we brought our drinks. More a drink.
Yeah, if you do Concierge, you can get a cocktail and bring it down too.
You can. We just brought some Coke Zero.
Yeah.
But we're ready.
Here we go, Aladdin.
Yay! We've done all the shows. That's been a first for us.
Yes, all three. Boom.
Entrance. All right, this is all the filming we can do. Yeah. Oh, I can't wait. and got to interact with Flounder.
Yes,
It's actually second row.
Yeah.
Just FYI.
Yeah.
You might get a little.
You can't see the floor of the stage, but you do get to interact with.
True. Do you want to stay here?
No, I'm good to stay here.
Okay.
I'm okay not to see the.
The floor
Yeah, look at the layer.
looks so cool. So that's all we can show, unfortunately. We're back in the Walt Disney Theater for our last show.
Last night.
Been an awesome day.
Yes, it's been an awesome ride.
Yes.
No.
All right, let's do this. All right, we're in our last evening in Concierge Lounge, and the wonderful Francisco, who's over there, made us an amazing drink, 2 drinks. So this is like a mojito, but mixed with cranberry and coconut.
Watermelon.
Oh, this one's yours though.
Yeah, this one's cranberry and watermelon.
And watermelon.
And yours is
Watermelon and coconut. Okay.
Yes.
So delicious. So it's like a mojito, but the flavors are different. He's a mixologist back in his country. So he actually works here and makes specialty drinks upon request. And we were given a little tip that he makes amazing drinks. So cheers to this.
Cheers to Francisco.
A great cruise. It's been amazing.
Concierge.
Amazing. Our last dining experience tonight. We're heading into 1923, and this time we're on the Walt side. There we go. There we go, Walt. Ooh. That was the table we were at last time for breakfast, or when we first got on board. We arrived in 1923. Thank goodness. We made it. Woo!
Yes, we did.
We have a wonderful view. And it's super nice in here. Is your mojito making you
It's my
swim?
cranberry watermelon mojito.
And you've only had like a little bit.
Francisco. Yeah.
And I've gotten my gluten-free menu. I forgot to get my gluten-free menu recorded or documented. And you talking to me? Anyway, so here are the appetizers for gluten-free. I've got soup and salad options. Chicken and kale ravioli. That sounds good. Seared lasso salmon.
Recording her options.
Lasso? It's
Fig bread?
what is it?
You said it was
Fig?
fig?
Fig? Like F-I-G?
Yeah.
Here's my delicious buns. Buns?
Hey, they were soft and warm yesterday.
They are actually warm, which is good. They're looking a little more rolly and less bunny. And here's butter.
Less rolly and less roll.
I know. And your bread looks really good.
It is fig and olive bread
Oh, okay. Well, good luck with that.
with honey butter dip. So I don't see why you can't have honey butter.
Hey,
Hey,
can you tell me what
I think five. What?
I can't stop laughing at that. So, we like SNL. Mel's making
SNL.
Pedro Pascal.
I have to record it because I can't stay up late enough to watch it.
That's true. But we keep hearing someone doing that.
Yes.
What you're doing.
Sama.
It's Alright, I asked for just a basic salad because I wasn't crazy about the salad. I did get an excessive amount of ranch, but hey, it's all good. And then Mel got the 4-cheese tortellini
Yes.
with maybe a missing tortellini. Is that true?
No. I was. I almost ate the
You almost had one.
tomato.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's enjoy. All right, I got the gluten-free gnocchi. It's potato, right? So it's good and gluten-free.
Yep.
And
And I got the split Napa salad.
split.
Yeah, split Napa
There you go.
salad.
All right, so this is interesting. I pre-ordered some pasta. Looks like I got some kids' pasta
Pasta with red sauce.
with some steak fries and some broccoli
Some veggies.
and some mac and cheese
And some more fries.
and more fries. And this is
And
so
a
much
piece of
food.
broccoli and a cup.
But you know what? I got Mickey plate which is fantastic.
×2.
×2. And what'd you get? You just got 2 tacos.
I got the vegetarian taco.
the vegetarian tacos.
The vegetarian taco.
Parmesan cheese.
Oh, this is fantastic.
See, the food maybe is not the best one, but at least I make you laugh.
The food will be fine.
There we go.
That's Mimi, that's Mickey.
Perfect. I love it. Thank
Got
you,
'em both.
Vasco.
Covered.
I love it.
Yeah, vegetable.
Is it mulatto?
Let me see.
No,
All right, I
kids
got
is still ice
the on the gluten-free menu, or it shows right here on my phone.
Do you want me to bring you the menu so you can make a clear picture?
All right, so I got the warm chocolate cookie brownie, which is gluten-free. Has a chocolate sauce and a well, it's supposed to be a raspberry sorbet, but looks like this one might be vanilla.
All of them might be raspberry, just not red.
Okay. And Melly went for the churros, which are highly debated as whether they're good or not. All right, so this is definitely not raspberry, but it's good. And then the inside, it's kind of textured. Not sure what it is, but it looks, it's good. All right, I've kind of decided this is like an Oreo cookie inside. So for gluten-free option, this is fantastic. Very good. So again, this is on the gluten-free menu and $19.23. At least it was for me for my cruise. Very good. It's really cool. Nice. Look at Gaston now.
Wow.
That's like the original sketch, I would say. So I know you love her.
Maximus.
No, her.
Oh, yeah.
Eugene! Awesome. Spots and chip.
Look at the colors. They're all labeled, you know. This is yellow 6784, green 041. All right,
Here we go. Yeah. We had a good time.
Wraps it up.
We're out of time. Gotta go get our luggage out.
Yes, we do.
So here we go. Here we go. Last day. We're out of here. Geez, we gotta go to Disney World tomorrow. Tough gig. Last night in our room, he's pulled our bed down, which is wonderful. And we got us a bunny with some chocolate to take home to Josh. It's the Flopsy Bunnies. Hey, buddy. Thank you. We appreciate that. Cute.
For those guests with luggage tag colors and for yellow with Chip and Dale, white with Ariel, tan with Pluto, gray with Daisy, purple with Minnie, green with Tinkerbell, red with Mickey, blue with Donald, or orange with Goofy. You are kindly invited to disembark the ship at this time via the gateway located on Deck 3 midship.
Goodbye, Wish.
Goodbye, Wish.
We're out of here. Had a great cruise.
Please, this way, please.
Woo! Here we go. Bye. See you real soon. And we're off.